Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, today's video is in collaboration with Madam Glam. This is a nail company based out of New York. Their gel formulas are cruelty-free and vegan. On their website, they provide polygel, lamps, gel nail starter kits, and wholesale. Per usual, I want to start this video off by showing you all what I received. So inside the first box comes the gel nail polish. Of course, it comes with the top coat and base coat, as well as 3 colors. I have Perfect Pink, Creme de la Creme, as well as Perfect White. Now a closer look at the colors right out the bottle. We have the Creme de la Creme, we have white in the middle, and Perfect Pink on the right. Because I won't be using Creme de la Creme in this video, I did want to show you guys what the color looks like in the bottle as well. So this is what Creme de la Creme looks like. The next item I received is a UV lamp. Now this is a travel size mini UV lamp. It comes with the cord as well as the lamp. This does not require batteries, just an extra cube to plug into a wall or a car, and also comes with instructions. This mini lamp is perfect, especially if you guys want to go out of town, or if you need to run out, or if you go out and you get a little chip on your nail. Just take your bottle of polish and this lamp in your purse and then go ahead and fix it. So this lamp cures or dries the polish in less than 30 seconds. I do suggest doing it twice just to make sure the polish is completely dried or cured. But this is all the items that I received. Now if you guys would like to see my nails go from this to this, then just keep on watching. Now I was so upset when I came and started editing because the first half of this video was deleted. The file was corrupted, so I couldn't use it, but I will be showing you guys how I did the rest of my nails. So now I'm starting on the third finger for the white color. So there's no really good way how to explain how to actually do the designs. All you guys can do is really watch and copy that. But how I cleaned it up is with a paintbrush, well, a nail paintbrush, and rubbing alcohol just to clean around the edges. And I put the excess gel onto the paper towel. Now once I'm done with the design, I do cure it for 30 seconds. And then I use the top coat and put that on and cure that for 30 seconds. And then you'll be done with that nail. Now, if you guys are starting on your natural nails, I do suggest using the base coat just to protect your natural nail. So the steps are base coat, nail color, and then top coat. After each step, cure it under the UV lamp for at least 30 seconds. If anyone would like to see how I did my polygel set, I do have a separate video that you all can watch to see how I did my polygel, but I didn't show that in this video. This is more so about the designs. Check that video out. Just click in the top right hand corner and you will be able to see that video. Definitely keep watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to use my discount code SimoneG30 if you would like to get anything from this website. I hope you all enjoy this video and I will see you all in the next one. Bye you guys.
Heaven Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum.